Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys, girls, and everything in between. Does not matter to me. I really don't care. Today, we are opening up our drum set.
Yeah.
We are?
Yeah.
Okay. I need little hands and little feet to step away, please. Can you get down, please? Okay. All right. Here comes box number one. No idea what's in it, but we're getting ready to find out. Right?
Yeah.
What's in here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Well, let's find out together. You want to?
Yeah. Whoa. What is that?
Let's find out. You want to?
Woo! Come in.
Okay, let's take a look. So we have some floor tom legs.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Those are so cool.
Let's take a look. Whoa. Those legs? Yes, they are. What else do we have in here?
Your pants.
My pants?
Yeah.
Are these my pants?
No.
Oh my goodness. Those are not my pants. What is this? Is this a drum?
Yep.
It is. Are you excited to see it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let's see the
I'm
drum.
a doggy.
You are?
On.
Look at there. Isn't that pretty? Whoa. A new drum. Whoa. Okay, let's see that one right there.
Let's do this big one.
You want to open up the big one next?
Yeah.
Okay, excuse me. Daddy's got to throw his box over here. All right. Then let's get into the big, heavy one. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's see what's in here. Okay, Bob?
Let's get in the biggest.
Okay. So this was a special order from Sweetwater.
Whoa.
Whoa. Don't touch. Watch your hands. Excuse me. There's lots of staples here, okay? Don't touch. Just wait for Daddy. Yes, sir?
Oh.
What do we say? Yes, sir?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that one?
All right. Here's we have two bass drum heads.
Those are your hands.
Looks like the 16-inch tom heads. And if I had to guess, everything's packed inside of itself, which it is.
Look, Daddy.
So we're going to start with our 10-inch tom.
Whoa, that's a. What is that?
This is a drum.
I don't want your feet.
So we have our 10-inch drum here. I imagine this is the full 10-inch. Wait just a minute, knucklehead. Wait just a minute.
Okay.
So this would be our 10-inch drum. Again, very pretty. Then we're probably going to move on to our 16-inch.
That was my drum when I was a little boy.
Oh, it was your drum when you were a little boy.
Yeah, that's what I.
And I'd be correct, this is the 16-inch.
What is that?
This is a very big drum. And Daddy's got to tune it up, huh? Okay.
When I was a little boy, like drums, and then I could play. I want to play
What
with
in the world am I looking at? Guys, apparently I have 2 kicks in
house.
and I did not order 2 kicks.
And I did not win it because I knew these were mine.
Again, I did not order 2 kick drums, so this is going to be very interesting to see.
Yeah, and
Oh,
that's
it's just
why
the
I
hoops.
hope.
Okay.
No, it's not.
It's just the
Because
hoops. I was very concerned initially because I thought that there were 2 kick drums in here. But instead what we're looking at are simply the hoops for the kick drum. So no worries there. Man, I was sweating it for a minute. Okay. All right, let's see what's in the next box. I'd imagine it to be our snare and our 10-inch drum.
Wow, what is...
What are you doing?
I need help.
I'm sure you do need help. Why'd you climb in there?
I need help.
All right, back out. Ha! Watch your head. There we go. All right, much better.
Much better.
Okay, so we got some Tom clamps, another Tom clamp, per Sweetwater, a bag of candies.
Oh, that was my candy with...
No, that's not your candy. Some more legs for floor toms.
Okay.
Uh,
This ball was out.
and then our
These
12.
balls were mine because I was one because I was him because I didn't do that.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know because I
And then
don't.
our 12-inch tom.
And then I was sitting.
I don't know who this is more fun for. And our armory rather snare drum, which I'm going to be sending right back for something a little bit different. So we're gonna set this off to the side.
That was my little one.
And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the unboxing of an
This
entire
is on
6-piece.
Penny, 'cause I don't know what I'm doing with these drums, and I don't know.
Okay, can you hit the red button up there on the phone? Say bye-bye. Thank you.